Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Let's discuss the summary of an ear. Basically, the ear contains the three parts that you can say that the outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. The outer ear contains the broad external part that is known as the pinna. It is made up of the cartilage and covered with the skin, and it used to direct the sound waves towards the auditory canal. And the auditory canal basically takes the sound towards the middle ear. At the end of the auditory canal, that is the tympanum and as well as known as the eardrum. The auditory canal also contains the special gland which used to produce the wax and also contain the fine hairs. This used to protect from the bacteria or the viral infection as well as from the dust. Moreover, it also helped to protect from the insects as well as it used to maintain the temperature and the depthness of the sound waves. This auditory canal then ends at the tympanum, named as the eardrum, and this eardrum used to separate the outer ear from the middle ear. The middle ear is basically contains the ossicles. These ossicles basically have three main bones that is known as the malleus, incus, and the stapes. These three are basically joined with each other in the form of the chain. The malleus is basically the bone that is basically attached with the eardrum as well as with the incus. The incus is attached with the malleus and the stapes, and the stapes is attached with the incus and oral window. The oral window is basically that is a membrane which used to separate the middle ear from the inner ear. The middle ear also contains the ostotium tube, and that is basically having a connection with the nasal cavity. It is maintaining the pressure in between the both ears. After that, you can say the inner ear used to come, and this inner ear contains the vestibule. As well as this vestibule is basically vestibule nerve, not the vestibule. The inner ear contains the vestibule and that is present in the middle of the inner ear. To the posterior side of the middle, you can say that the posterior side of the vestibule, the three semicanals are present. And then there's also a cochlea. This cochlea is basically made up of three ducts that used to wrap on each other and is forming the cochlea. The middle layer of the middle duct of the cochlea contains the receptor that used to recognize the sound and used to send the message toward the brain, and brain recognizes that sound. This is the summary of the ear, student. Hope so you get that. If there's any query, you can discuss with me or you can just comment. Stay blessed and Allah.